here, and today we have our final Monday makeover using the I Heart Revolution Mermaid Heart palette. So it is this one. It is available from the Revolution Beauty website or Superdrugs, and it's approximately $6.99 for sale. So you have this beautiful like blue packaging with this silvery heart on the front. You have the colours inside the palette printed on the back, and also the ingredients list. It is a magnetic clasp, and open it up and this is inside. There's no mirror inside, which just means that it's not going to be a great palette for travelling with unless you travel with another palette that might have a mirror in, but it's not too much of an issue for me. And then you've got all of these beautiful colours. There are 12 colours in here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmers. Obviously 6 and 6, so it's a good 50-50 on mattes and shimmers. So yeah, really happy with that. So today I'm going to be doing an eye makeup look using this. I have already done the rest of my face makeup, and on my lips today I have the Essence lip liner in Satin Mauve, which is a beautiful mauvey colour, and then I have here a Rimmel lipstick, which was in the camo packaging, which was a special a while back, and it's this shade, and it is number 45 because Rimmel don't like to give their lipstick names, they like to number them. So that is what is on my lips today. Rimmel 45 with Essence Satin Mauve lip liner, so just in case you were wondering what was on my lips. So I am going to create a makeup look using this eyeshadow palette. We started off with a Mermaid palette by Tarte, and we're going to end with a Mermaid palette by I Heart Revolution. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you want to see how I create a look with this palette, then just keep watching. So I think to start off, I'm going to go in with this very light yellow here as a transition colour, because I want to go kind of using the yellows and mustards, and then sort of the blues, because I think I did a bit of a green look with the Tarte palette, so I think I want to go blues this time. So we're going to dip into that lemon shade. There is a lot of kick up on these. It's very, very dusty. Don't know if you can see that, but it is very dusty. So it's very subtle, but you can see the yellow there. And then we're going to go in with this deeper mustard here. Again, a lot of kick up. And we're just going to go in the crease. So that is that yellow. It is a gorgeous colour, really beautiful. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with this shade here on my inner corner. picking up that pigmentation on this green very well. There we go. I'm going to go in with this matte blue here on the centre of the eye. And then we're going to go in with this really dark blue on the outer corner of the eye. I'm having a little problem with the dark blue shade in the corner. It seems to be a little patchy, so which is a real shame because it looks like it would be really a nice colour otherwise. There we go. Okay, so that is the eye look. It is really, see, as soon as I do that, it kind of starts to blend out that blue. My whole table is covered in powder from these eyeshadows. They are really, really powdery, and it's not the best palette I've had from Makeup Revolution, so I'm a little disappointed, but we will carry on. So I'm going to go under my eyes, and I'm going to take that mustard colour, and then I'm going to take this green, so that is the eyes. Not the best palette, slightly disappointed, but still pretty. And then I'm going to go in with my Walking on Eggshells palette by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to stick in a brow highlight. Because that is one thing that palette is also missing. So that is that. And then I thought I would have a bit of fun and put on some glitter eyeliner. So let's do that. So that is that. And that is Collections Glam Crystals in Le Freak. So bit of glitter there. So yeah. And then I'm going to put in my waterline, this is an Avon Big Gel Paint Pencil Long Wear Eyeliner in Cobalt. So this is a beautiful like dark blue. So I'm going to put that in my waterline. So there's that. And then I'm going to use this sample of the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, if I can get it open. So that is the finished look. So if you'd like to come closer. Of course you can put on false eyelashes if you want to, even a winged eyeliner if you want to, but I went with the glitter. So all in all, my thoughts on this palette, although this isn't a review, it's just a makeup look using this palette. I think the eye look I'm created was beautiful. It is stunning, but because the colours are really like powdery, I struggled to make them go on my eyes basically. This blue, this dark blue here, it really went on patchy, and anytime I tried to blend it, it just blended away and became even more patchy. So a little disappointed with this palette, in all honesty. It probably won't be a palette I'll reach for very often. I'll have a play with it every now and again, and give it another try another day with maybe different brushes. Maybe the brushes I was trying to use it with just weren't the greatest brushes for this kind of palette. But yeah, I love this colour here. This mustard colour really is pretty, and it's really on trend at the moment, this mustardy yellow. So I do really like the eye look that I created. I'm just not that happy with the patchiness of the darker colour here. So yeah, it wasn't the greatest palette I've used for this Monday makeover, but I do really like the look of it. So thank you very much for watching. This was the last Monday makeover for the month of May. I will be doing another month of makeovers in October. That will be my Disney villains makeovers. So I thought for the month of October, seeing as it's Halloween on the 31st of October, instead of doing like Halloween kind of looks, I would do Disney villain inspired kind of eye makeup. And yeah, so I hope that you will subscribe, stick around, because I will have more makeovers coming for you very soon. So before we go, I forgot to do some swatches of this palette, so I'm going to do them for you now. So here we have all the swatches of this palette. So from the top row along, and then from the bottom row along. There's that blue, and it swatches really nicely, but for some reason on me it just went on patchy. I don't know if it's my primer on my eyes or what, I don't know. I use a different primer today than what I would normally, but those are the swatches. I mean, this orange, this gold here is beautiful. This blue is gorgeous. This blue is gorgeous. These pinks and browns here are gorgeous. This blue is stunning. That's what I used on the inner corner of my eyes. So the swatches on this palette are absolutely stunning, but for whatever reason it didn't want to play well today, so just thought I'd drop this in for you. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.